Hi, I'm Esty, and today I'll be showing you 5 tips on how to roller skate. So I encourage you guys to wear safety gear, wrist guards, elbow pads, a helmet. Do your thing. You don't want to get hurt. It's time to put them on. I like to lace them up pretty tight just so that my ankles are supported. So you're gonna go over, under, and then you just go around the back and tie it in the front. It's time to get up. So you start by putting one knee on the ground, and then with your other leg, push yourself up. So make sure your knees are bent and that your skates are, you're kind of pointing them like a V. So when you move forward, one leg and the other, and make sure to keep that V shape. So now you're gonna wanna learn how to stop. I will put my foot down, my right foot down, gradually and kind of treat it like an eraser. But make sure you apply that pressure so that you stop. The direction you want to turn in, apply pressure onto that leg. So if I want to turn right, I'm going to apply pressure to that right leg, right? So now you've learned how to lace up your skate, how to get up from the ground, how to move forward, and how to stop. You are ready to skate.